Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Thursday, June 27th. Yeah, slip of the tongue there. What do we got going on today news-wise? So we just had a bunch of news come out at 8:30. We had final GDP quarter on quarter, red item, 1.4% as expected. Now, the market did bounce to the upside slightly, not significantly, but some. Unemployment claims were slightly better than expected, so less than expected, but not by much. Basically the same, within the margin of error for sure. Core durable goods month over month was down. Remember, core means they subtract out a bunch of crap. The actual durable goods order month on month was actually positive, so that's actually good for the economy. Final GDP index quarter over quarter, 3.1 versus 3.0. So, GDP is doing pretty darn good. Trade goods or goods trade balance, don't really care about that. Minus 100 billion. This is a big macro number that is only really interesting in the long run. Preliminary wholesale inventories month over month were up. They were up, but less than expected. So inventories being up, kind of a bad thing because we want inventories to be maintained. But if we're less than we had last month, that means we're selling stuff. So that's not the best number, but not that bad. 10 o'clock, we have pending home sales. 10:30, natural gas storage. And that's it. So most of the news for today has already happened. The big one being the GDP number coming in a little bit hot. So I'm kind of surprised that the market is reacting to the upside. But hey, maybe it was not priced in. I don't know. I have no idea. Crazy. All right, let's get rid of that. Pull that out of the way. And let's look at some charts. So you can see that we had an update yesterday, and we have an update currently. We're slightly above. Actually, this is the weird thing. So there's the close from yesterday. We're below that, but it's showing green. So, anyway, we are down very, very slightly today from yesterday's close. But we'll just have to wait and see. The pattern is still in place. Looks like we're consolidating, going sideways, maybe building energy to go up further. Bull flag is normally a bullish pattern to break out to the top side in a bull market, which of course we are in. We're continuing to maintain this kind of channel. The only thing weird sort of going on is we do have this gap, the volume gap, way back from the Fed on the 12th of June. So this is going to get filled eventually. The question is when will that happen? Will we meander sideways and come down to it, or go sideways and go up for a while and then eventually come down to it? This will be filled eventually. That being said, moving on to the inventory. Inventory was positive yesterday, and price action was positive. So right now, we are technically green compared to yesterday. There's the close from yesterday. There's where we are right now. So we're just now turning green. I don't know why that bar was green before. But anyway, looking at the intraday for the overnight action. No overnight action is probably about 25 to 26 points. So that's slightly above average. Average being about 22. So we could see some additional volatility today. Where do we have resistance? Well, again, we're up here in nosebleed areas. 55.50 is a major number. 55.60 and 55.80 are resistance on the top side. Support on the bottom side. Definitely have some support here at 55.1675. Obviously 55.10, 5500, and just below 5500, 54.95.75. Let's go a little bit further down. We have 54.73. So those are your support resistance numbers for today. Stock Trader's Almanac is 57.1, 57.1. So greater than 50% chance it'll go up, which is a positive bias by about 7.1%. It is what it is. Going into the next week, we'll have holiday week with 4th of July. It's just a summer day. Be careful. Hold your stops. Happy trading. See you guys tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.